Hello students, we are extremely humbled and proud to share that a student would have been able to solve around 8 questions directly from our Smart Current Affairs and Economics module in the today's held UPSC GS3 Mains Paper 2024. For example, just look at the first question here, which talks about examining the trend of public expenditure on social services in the post-reform period. Just look at this table provided here in the class itself, laying out the details about the social sector expenditure with the integration of data from the Household Consumption Expenditure Survey 2023, thus providing enough data inputs for answer writing to the help of the student. On the other hand, the third question, which was a bit tricky as it asked factors responsible for the successful implementation of land reforms in the country. The land reform as a topic was extensively covered in the class with state-specific data and the case studies provided. Similarly, the questions on electronic toll collection system could have been adequately dealt with the comprehensive lecture on the toll system in your economics module classes. On the same line, the question on merits and demerits of the 4 labor codes were explained in the easiest manner possible in the class with the integration of the current affairs as well. Similarly, the students would have been able to solve the rest of the interesting questions with the help of these specially curated classes for keeping in mind the multi-dimensional nature of the mains examination. Thus, to give edge to your UPSC mains preparation for 2025, we invite you all to join our courses on economics module as well as Smart Current Affair program for UPSC 2025.